Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Diagnostic Lexus. What year your car is?
2004.
2004 GS 300. It's an electrical short. The fuse, radio fuse number 2, keep blowing. No matter what you do, keep blowing. We check the wiring diagram. We come here, hold on. We come here, we check all continuity, and you see here when we come here, this is the fuse number, radio number 2, and it's feed a lot of stuff. Instrument cluster, and it feed radio here and radio here. When you add the stuff on the car, try to be sure that you add the right way. We found in this wire here, this wire is black. It's tied into this wire, and this wire here is supposed to feed radio fuse. You see, already start melting. I'm very happy that the car is not burned. You see. Or the car is not burned.
Yeah,
that's why the beneficial of the fuses. When you have a lot of fuses, that's where the beneficial of it. Okay, now check this one. Do we have ground here? Because if not, you have to add this one here. So that ground is supposed to be here. So we don't have nothing here, right?
No.
So put that one here. Put this one here. Because when somebody when you put some stuff wrong, always go back to the wiring diagram or that thing, right? So try to be sure.
Somebody
That's okay. That's he is the one that playing with it, maybe. I don't know, but okay, put that one here and tape it. You can't do that and create problems, create chaos. Those electrical stuff, believe me. When you have short, try to isolate all the aftermarket stuff, like this one here. Those are aftermarket stuff that they add into it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why you did? He put the.
Huh?
Yeah, that's what
Say it again.
What happened?
Say it,
Because
no. Say it again.
it just happened on its own. That's what you're saying.
It happened just by itself. I don't know, but it's very funny. What we see it here is that what we see. Something wrong there happened. Maybe they give ground in the wrong place, and that ground start giving more trouble. I can't say nothing. But at least we're gonna stop the short, and then they have to put their stuff back. This car has. This is where it's supposed to be, the radio.
That's the tape player.
Okay, I'm gonna put this one back too. Because I'm supposed to get all my stuff covered. You see, that one is supposed to be the red wire, which is okay, but you cannot put something different. And also the fuse, you have to add a bigger higher amp, because they add amplifier, they add a lot of stuff. It could get blown also. But the first thing that it happened, they put something wrong. That's where all the fuses keep blowing. always follow the guideline of the manufacturer, and when you have a short, try to follow isolate all the aftermarket items.
Oh, don't install them.
No, you can install them, but just yeah. Then,
I don't install them with a professional.
Yeah.
Because otherwise that controls.
If you don't do it right.
Exactly.
We're gonna put those. If everything works, fuse is not blowing, they're gonna go back and deal with the rest.